All right, got a special treat for you. In case you haven't had it, we have the new, or at least you should say, it is back. Dave's Hot Mozz Sticks. Let's do a taste test. Never had these. Medium spice. I'm excited. Let's go. Wow. So much cheese. If you don't chew well, you're gonna choke. This might be the best mozzarella stick I've ever had. Now, I haven't had the Chili's Nashville style mozzarella sticks, but this is incredible. Seasoned well, breaded amazingly. A little bit of Dave sauce, that cheese. Wow. This is banging, man. This is so good. Oh my God. A lot of cheese, but amazing. Oh my God. Highly recommend. They make these in slider forms too, but this is the best mozzarella stick I have ever had in my entire life. Wow. Go to Dave. Go to Dave's. Get the Hot Mozz. You won't regret it.